Sa ko pong interview ninyo, sabi niyo po napakaligaya niyo pong mag-asawa. How long have you been married po?
40. Over 40 years.
40 years. Over
Yes.
40 years. Wow!
Hindi ko nakita itong aking asawa sa ngayon. Siguro ngayon dahil may pagka-eccentric ang personality ko, pang-5 na siguro ang asawa ko, pang-6 na nag-divorce na siguro ako, married over and over.
Kung hindi
Pero
siya-
magkasundo kami.
Sabi niyo nga po, you were saying polar opposites.
Yes, we are polar opposites dahil kung ano yung ginagawa ng isa, yung kaibahan ang ginagawa naman ng isa. So we are in a state of perpetual fascination with each other.
Wow! That is
Dahil-
what I wish for.
Dahil magkaiba kami, halimbawa sa pagtulog lamang, I like to go to bed early and wake up very early, and my husband likes to go to bed very, very late and he wakes up very late. Things like those.
Ay baliktad naman kami ni Kiko,
Magkabaliktad.
ma'am. Ako naman po yung gusto ng late, siya yung
Right.
early.
Because